Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. Today I'm going to show you guys basic methods how to remove the tie rod ends. My most and favorite tool is just to use a ball joint separator. Make sure to remove the cotter pin and also make sure to remove the castle nut on the outer tie rod. Next, insert the ball joint separator on the bottom end of the dust boot. Make sure to push the ball joint separator all the way inside until the bottom end of the ball joint separator is touching the stud on the outer tie rod. Next, screw in the ball joint separator until the tie rod separate. Next, use a hammer and hit on the steering knuckle. Make sure you do not hit on the outer tie rod end. This can cause the outer tie rod to break and possibly get stuck inside the steering knuckle. Again, make sure to only hit on the steering knuckle area. The next method is to use a long pry bar and place it right beneath the tie rod end, and basically you want the end of the pry bar to hook underneath the frame. At this point, it depends on your vehicle. You may have to pull up the pry bar or you have to push down the pry bar to have the tie rod end come loose. If that still doesn't work, I guess you have to do it the old-fashioned way. Remove the cotter pin and loosen up the castle nut. Do not remove the castle nut. Make sure to hit the castle nut and make sure you go up and down in a vertical motion. Do not hit it sideways. If you hit it sideways, this is going to cause the stud to bend sideways and possibly the outer tie rod might get stuck. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.